Hello, for now I don't have any questions.
Okay. So my suggestion is I will be sharing the screener that I have just taken you guys through and the main questionnaire. Okay, with Ishmanpreet, and Ishmanpreet, I think will share it to all of you all, or we can even put it in the WhatsApp group that has been created for this purpose. So please go through all that, and we will take you through that questionnaire tomorrow in detail. Okay, and plus there will be a PPT that will be the training PPT. We'll take you through that also, right? So that will also be there, and I think that's that's about it. We will, as I told you, we will have another research agency with whom we are coordinating, who's also assisting us in this particular project, and that will also be present. And then we'll have the end client present, and of course, you all will be there. So I think that's all. Ishmanpreet, anyone else? I think we only have Unnati, is it? How many people are there? 11 people are there. Anyone has any question, guys? Ishmanpreet, are you there? Can you listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so things to do for you are, Ishmanpreet, you have to work on their letters, please. Right? And let's send out all the letters by today so that they can go through it and sign it and submit it before our session tomorrow. Okay, preferably by end of day today or early morning tomorrow by 10 o'clock tomorrow. Is that doable, Ishmanpreet?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So we already have one letter made. I think you need to just make the rest on the same lines, right? And share it with them. Also, please get the employee handbook soft copy from Govind, right? And attach that also. That's one set of document that you need to share and get back from each one. The other is the questionnaire and the screener for this project, and a PPT that is being prepared for this project itself. So all that will also be shared today. So I would expect you all to kindly spend some time and go through that before tomorrow's call. It will be helpful. It will be very helpful for you to understand it tomorrow during the training session, right? So let's do everything right, and I'm sure things will fall in place. Yeah. Ishmanpreet, one thing that you is that Excel sheet, please. You know, that Excel sheet that you had shared with me yesterday had fewer names. There are more names now. You even need to add 3 more names which were not there from the other group of Mohammad Motar and Saddam Hussein and Shaurya
Sorry.
Vatsal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she needs to be added in that Excel. That will make it a list of 22 in total. So please share that Excel with me. I really need to put that in the deck that we have, because we need to introduce everyone, etc. And I will also share the invite, with you, on which we have to. So this is MS Teams that we will use tomorrow for the call. Okay, so this is going to be a MS Teams link. So try and see if you guys can download Teams app, that can also help. But otherwise, generally also by clicking on that link also, you should be able to join. Okay, many of you must have used Teams already. It's another platform like, this Zoom or Google Talk that we use, Google Meet that we use. So yeah, I think that's all. Anything else that you think I've missed out? Ishmanpreet, anything else that we need to add?
No, ma'am.
Just please be on time, guys. Okay, keep yourself 10 minutes ready in advance. Check all your internet connection and I don't know if you guys have a printer and you can take out a print of the questionnaire. It will be helpful. Okay, and then I think not to be too worried. Also, it will be an easy day. So we'll be explaining everything once again in details. Okay, and then I think we'll be good to go. That's the whole idea of organizing this training tomorrow and starting up the work. Yeah. Anyone else? If anyone has any question, please ask. Otherwise, we can conclude this session and we can join tomorrow at 11 o'clock sharp. No questions.
Hello, ma'am. Can you please tell the exact duration of this internship, like when this will end?
Mansi, see, the idea is that this particular project should get over in 25 to 30 days maximum.
Okay.
As I told, we have multiple projects that keeps happening, so depending on your productivity, your performance, etc., we'll keep moving people who are willing to continue internship. We'll keep them moving from one project to the other. This definitely is going to, and might spill over for a few more days, maybe in the next month. I don't know. That will be more clear once we start the launch and see how the responses are. But with such a big group of 22 people or so, even if every one of you do two companies each day, we should be easily be doing 50 companies in a day, and 50 companies in a day. The first week might be a little slow, but second week onwards it has to pick up pace. So very, very easily we'll be completing the entire project in a month's time. We should. Okay. Otherwise, later, it will be a function of how it moves and what changes, what eventualities happen in between. That we'll have to see. Plus, we'll keep involving you on other projects also. That keeps happening as and when. Not that you are only and only going to be associated only with this particular project. There will be so many other activities and projects where we'll keep you involved. Now, minimum duration definitely is 1 month, and maximum is extendable. For few people, it could be 2 months who have availability for 2 months. For people who wants to join full time and they perform well, they'll be absorbed full time. People who want to continue maybe for another 3-4 months and on different other projects, we'll take them on the other. Right? So that's
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
okay. Anything else, anyone?
Oh, ma'am, could you tell us about
Yes.
the stipend involved in this internship?
Yeah, so that has been conveyed, right? The stipend is 12,000 rupees per month.
All right, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, and we will try and build in certain incentives, for high performers, people who are doing a good job or outstanding job in terms of any parameters of their performance, be it that they are very, very professionally committed in terms of the way they have conducted themselves, in terms of punctuality, in terms of discipline, etc., or in terms of productivity, or in terms of incentives, certain rewards, recognitions that will keep happening in each month on different aspects. Right. So I think it will be good. We discuss the remuneration. These aspects are going to be internal between us and you guys. So please, let's refrain from bringing these discussions tomorrow. Because tomorrow is going to be a different training altogether, where we have too many external variables also present. Another research agency is involved, another client is involved. So we will restrict our questions only to the understanding of the research, execution bit. right? The other questions in terms of stipend, in terms of internship, in terms of all of the other things, we will discuss separately in maybe some other call, not tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, Ishmanpreet, I think we are done. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much for taking out time. Let's connect on time tomorrow again and do a successful training.